Hi there, it's Kelie Gray with Summit Real Estate. Did you know that it's not only price that we deem a huge factor in making an offer appealing to a seller? There's lots of terms and deadlines and conditions within the Colorado real estate contract that can help make your offer very appealing and very strong, especially if you don't have cash, which only 35% of all transactions in Summit County are cash. That's still a huge number. But by me having a conversation with the other broker prior to making an offer to find out what is the seller's ideal time frame for closing. We assume typically sellers want their money sooner than later, but sometimes they have a need to stay a little bit longer. So maybe a delayed closing date would be good for them. I've also seen some offers and have negotiated where the buyer is going to allow the seller to use the property for X amount of time for X amount of years after closing. That's creative. That's creative thinking for sure. So besides the price, other things you can do to make your offer strong. I hate waiving contingencies like your inspection, review of the homeowners association documents. Those are really important things because you're buying into the HOA, and you want to make sure the home or the condo is in really good shape. So besides a high price, quick contingencies, finding out what the seller's ideal time frame is, and really just having a good broker on your side that has a good relationship with the brokers on the other side. Because in multiple offer situations, our relationships and how we work together is a really big deal. So, did you know that there are other ways besides the price to make your offer very appealing to a seller?